My ackee. You can see my saltfish. Here goes. Look at this piece of saltfish up here. You can see it. Okay. This is Rinty's Plate. Welcome back. Yes, I'm here again. I have to smile because a subscriber has asked me to do fritters and to put ackee and saltfish and all the ingredients that go into fritters, but add ackee. Okay? Ackee fritters with saltfish. Okay? I already cooked my ackee already. Because you know it takes a little time to cook. And I already cook all my saltfish. I'm not going to put so many saltfish in the fritter. A little salt to cook the ackee. And here I have over here is my thyme, scallion, pepper, two Scotch bonnet pepper. Not because you see them look so, oh Lord, they're very hot. And a large onion. And my dry ingredients in this is dash, onion season, garlic powder and onion powder, and black pepper. You know, you can't do fritters without black pepper. So all of this in here. 1 teaspoonful. Yes. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut these. I'm going to use half, put in the blender. Okay? With a piece of saltfish, a piece of onion, pepper, and half of these things. Gonna go into my little blender here, and the other part go into the fritter. Stay tuned, and no set will come out nice. Here in this container, I forgot my 3 cups of flour. This is my flour. Okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, these are fresh scallion. I got these from outside. Plant everything, almost everything, you know. Okay, so I'm cutting these. It's supposed to cut fine. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to cut these very small. The piece that I'm going to put in the blender. And why I'm putting it in the blender is I just want the fritters to think to its taste. You know, when you put everything in there, some fritters have saltfish, some don't. But when you blend a little piece and then you put the remainder in it, it tastes so nice. Like fritters in it. So I'm just gonna get these small as I can. Oh my God! I tell you about the pepper, man. Pick up my saltfish. Some of my saltfish. I don't want my saltfish a lot. Okay, put everything in my blender. I'm gonna season up. Put a little of the seasoning here. Over here. Okay. So I'm gonna throw everything in my flour now. That I have used water to it. This is nice. Onion. And this is my hot pepper. When I'm telling you this pepper is hot, it's hot. And my scallion. My saltfish. Wow. It's a lot. My ackee. And I can put everything. through. Trying to get the ackee a little smaller. Got a big piece of fish there. So trying to combine everything together, okay? And then I use the water from the blender. This flour packed with stuff. Oh Lord. If this is not enough water, then I have to add some water on it. Oh, yeah. Oh, the flour is white. You know what I'm going to add? A teaspoon of turmeric. Yes, I'm going to put some turmeric in it. It's a teaspoonful of turmeric. Let me put it in there. My flour look too white. Right. And I water still water here. The container is too small. So we're going over, I'm going to let it sit for around 5 minutes and then I go over to my stove, 5 minutes. Okay? Okay, I think my fritters sit for more than 5 minutes here. I'm going to put some oil in the pot. Okay, I think this oil is hot. I drop my fritters. Wow, look at my fritters. Okay, I think these are done, everything. All in place. Okay, these are the last. Okay, this is my finishing touch. Look at my fritters, my ackee and saltfish fritters. Yes, I am done. And I'm going to try one now. Yes. Oh, look at this. Look, very nice, very nice. You can see my ackee. You can see my saltfish. There goes. Look at this piece of saltfish up here. You can see it. Okay. I just want to thank everyone, and I pray that you may continue to follow me. Just please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay? And thank you, Miss Kathleen. That's my subscriber. Thank you for this, to let me do this video for you. Okay? Thank you very much.